This question says the number of students in the class is X. One day, 5 students were absent. What fraction of the class was present? Now, total number, it's what? X. Now, absent on that particular day will be what? X minus 5. Okay, so what fraction? 5 students were absent. Okay, absent was actually 5. Then total student remaining, total remaining for that day will be X minus 5. So the fraction left in class will be remaining over the total, and that's going to give us what? X minus 5 all over X. So from here you can see the correct answer. It's going to be option E. Okay, so we proceed to solve more questions. Now question 4 says the gauge on a water tank shows that the tank is 1/3 full of water. In order to fill the tank, 16 gallons of water are added. How many gallons of water does the tank hold when full? Now notice, so in order to solve this question, now if it is 1/3 full, then it is 2/3 empty. Now what I want you to understand is when you sum up 1/3 plus 2/3, you get the capacity. Now let capacity be X. Okay, so now if 16 gallons of water were added to full it, that means 2/3 multiplied by X filled it up. That's what? 16. So from here, in order to get the capacity, so we're going to say X is going to be 16 divided by 2/3. Therefore X is going to be 16 multiplied by 3/2. 2 here, it's 1, 2 here, it's going to give us 8, and X will be 3 times 8, and that's going to give us 24. So when it's filled up, it's going to be 24, and 24 is the correct answer. Given the equation x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, which of the following gives a complete solution of the equation? Now the fastest way to solve this and beat time is to test this. So test for 2x, that's 2 square plus 2 minus 6. Does this give you 0? This is 4 plus 2, that's 6, this is 0. But remember, you have to test for all the options. So let's test for minus 3. So minus 3 all square plus minus 3 minus 6. Now this is 9 minus 3 plus 6. 9 minus 3 gives us 6 plus 6. That's what? 0. So I think from here B it's going to be the correct answer, which is going to be 2 and minus 3. The second method of solving this question is to apply the quadratic formula, which says minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And you know from here, your a is going to be 1, b is going to be 1, and c is going to be what? Minus 6. So applying this formula, you are going to get 2 and minus 3. Now this question says Henry has $5 more than Oliver and the same amount of money as Murray. Together they have $85. How much money does Oliver have? Now let Oliver be X. Now Henry has X plus 5 because he has 5 more than Oliver. That means Murray is going to have exactly as Henry, which is X plus 5. Now it says together they all have what? 85. That means when you do X plus 5 plus X plus 5, that's going to give you 85. So here when you collect like terms, you have 3x plus 10 is equal to 85. So 3x is going to be collecting like terms, 85 minus 10. 3x is going to give us 75, and x is going to give us 75 over 3, and that's 25. So that tells you Oliver had some $25. Now That means the correct answer here is going to be C. Okay, so the next question, it says if the square of a number is added to the number increased by 4, the result is 60. If n represents the number, which equation can be used to find n? Now it says the square of a number is added to the number, that's n, and increased by 4 plus 4, and the result is 60. So from this expression, this is exactly the expression you could use to find n. So I think the correct answer here is going to be C. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can get more videos from us.